Hi, my name is Ola. I'm from Poland and allow me to introduce my culture. When you think of Poland, probably three things come to your mind. Pierogi, Polish vodka and Lewandowski. I know these things are very popular, but today I want to tell you some more about Polish food. Traditional Polish cuisine isn't very fit, but it tastes delicious. It's because all recipes are inherited for generations and preparing some of them can take quite a long time. So let's closely look at the specific dishes. As I said, you probably know what pierogis are, but if you don't, I'd like to show you. Pierogi ruskie are dumplings filled with potato, white cheese, and fried onions. Usually, they are served with additional chopped fried onion on the top. You can also find pierogis filled with meat and vegetables, sauerkraut and mushrooms, as well as berries. The second ones, Kopitka, are a kind of Polish gnocchi. The only difference is the shape. They look like a horse's hoof, which is kopyto in Polish language. Kopitka are often eaten plain or with butter and sugar or meat sauce. The next one is a Polish staple. Rosu is a rich liquid made of water in which bones, meat and vegetables. The ingredients are very fresh and everything is made from scratch. No cans allowed. Rosu in my home is made with homemade pasta and is served for dinner every Sunday. Gowanki, or better known in English as stuffed cabbage, are made from boiled cabbage leaves wrapped around a filling of minced pork or beef, chopped onions and rice. On top of gołąbki you can usually find tomato sauce. Another cabbage dish is bigos. It's kind of like Polish hunter stew. It's made of fried and stewed fresh cabbage, sauerkraut, assorted meats, and mushrooms. It is served hot and can be enriched with vegetables, spices, or wine. Ready for something sweet? Polish donuts called Ponchi are usually glazed with icing sugar and filled with different types of jams. They are absolutely delicious and cannot be missed. In Poland, we also have a special date called Tłusty Czwartek, and it's a holiday during which the goal of every Pole is to eat as many pączki as possible. The list of traditional Polish dishes is long, therefore I couldn't include all of them here. I think that all dishes mentioned are a great start for you to discover Polish cuisine. Have you already tasted Polish food? If not, change it as soon as possible.